Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. This is going to be your stock watch list for the 15th of April, Monday. So I did a previous video on let's get ready for the week ahead where we look at the markets, what's coming up for the week, what you need to pay attention to. So I'll attach that video to the end of this video. This is the stock watch list for Monday. So we'll go through some bigger names, some smaller names. We'll go through some of the news that came out after the bell on Friday. Let's go ahead and get into it. This news courtesy of the Trade Exchange, audio news throughout the day, the Trade Exchange. So let's go ahead and get into that watch list for Monday, the 15th of April. So we'll start out with BPTH. As you can see, they had news after the bell on Friday, was popping the stock up to $22 a share from $16 a share. This will be on watch. We actually traded this in the service on Friday at Zozo StockWatch. We got a nice piece from on the break of 20 bucks. I got $1 out of this trade in the after hours on Friday. So a nice end of the week trade here in BPTH. This will be on watch Monday and the rest of the week. So keep your eye on that one, on that pop up. Let's go ahead and see if there was any other news over the weekend. Not too much news out this weekend. Pretty quiet, actually. Some top insider purchases, SAFE and VXRT, both with some top insider purchases there. Other than that, so the PBTH is going to withdrawal of registration statement from Form S1. That was the news there. Moving that one up in the after hours on Friday. And let's see, we have the China GDP coming out this week. Other than that, a pretty quiet news weekend. TRNX, the old MNGA, they filed for 100 million mixed shelf. MIST, an IPO coming out this week. CRTX, also an IPO that will be coming out this week for the week coming up. And that's about it. All right, so let's get further into the watch list. Thanks, Trade Exchange, for the news. Not a lot of news, but sometimes no news is good news, as they say. ALQA will be a stock that I have on watch. 450,000 shares, turning back up, holding above the fast-moving averages here. Not a lot of volume in this name, but ALQA will be on watch to see if they want to move that one up. Any also starting to turn back up here a little bit, has that $3 area up ahead, still below the 200 SMA on the daily chart. Volume was about 273,000 shares on ANY. APHA was moving up volume, 4.6 million shares on Friday, trying to turn the corner, holding above the 50 SMA. It's been in this long basing pattern up here. We closed at 1010. You see $11 has been in the way on this name. Kind of a strong close here. A little bit of a sell-off in the after hours on that one. So another one I'll be watching. APHB will be on watch. Expanding volume here. 3.9 million shares popping. Now, this is an under 50-cent name, so keep that in mind. If you like these under $1 names, you might want to keep that one on watch. ATAI, after having that big push up to about $4.50, we're pulling back to the dotted line here, the 5 EMA, around that 250 area. Let's see what they want to do with this one for tomorrow or the week ahead. AYTU. Slowly grinding higher, still under the 200 SMA, a declining 200 SMA, by the way. Volume about 324,000 shares. Was kind of moving up into the close on Friday. Not really in love with this one, but keep it on watch. Maybe it wants to make a burst up. Billy, a China name, holding up, trying to get back above the 50 SMA, has this $19 level up ahead. You can see it's been kind of basing here, holding above that $17 level. Volume was 6 million on Friday. So I'll have Billy had a nice push on Friday. We'll see if it wants to continue up. Boxel had some news earlier in the week. Looks like about $3.60 is in the way right now. A lot of fits and starts in this name, so just keep that in mind. It's been trying to get through 4, kind of like a pump and dump look to it, but this candle still looks pretty good. Held most of the gains on Friday. Volume, would like to see that volume pick up in BOXL. CIEN. Sienna kind of forming this triangle here, this consolidation, has that 38, 38.25 to get the breakout of this range here. So keep an eye on it. 2.5 million shares. CIFS, this one has that $4 area up ahead. If China names are going to get moving this week, might be one to watch. We had a pop back here up to about $6. You see the battle going on here at $4. Volume, once again, a little bit light on that name, so we'll see. Coop over in the software sector. Looks like this one is trying to make another move up here on Coop. So keep this one on watch. We had a high on Friday on this name at $97.20. So maybe back over $97 on Coop could get you another move up. Possible swing trade in that one. Maybe gone its way to 100. EYES was getting a lot of volume the last few days, holding up, holding that 5 EMA, has that $1.15 area up ahead. The 200 SMA is a worry with it slanting down like this, and it's right around that $1.25 spot. 600,000 shares on Friday. FLKS had a nice volume move on Friday. This one has 60 cents, 55 cents up ahead. Volume 3.2 million shares. FLKS, if you like those under $1 names, might see a move in that one. INSG. If you look at my other video that I did before, President Trump coming out saying he wants to get the 5G US first in 5G. So maybe this INSG wants to make a move. Has that $5 area and the 50 SMA up ahead. You see it was popping on Friday, kind of sold back off. If they can ever get this one back over the 50 SMA and that $5 area, we might get a nice move. 1.2 million on that one. IOVA trying to get up over $12. We had a recent push up, a pullback here on lower volume, holding that 5 EMA, holding above the 10 SMA. If they catch this one back up over 12, you might get a move in that one. NBEV had news with Walmart. They popped this up to 650. It's pulling back on lower volume here. We want to see this start to turn back up, though. The highs on Friday were 574. So over that 580 area, maybe this NBEV wants to make a move up. Nike with Tiger Woods winning the Masters might get a push tomorrow and the rest of the week as the Dow stocks have been moving up. The markets have been moving up. The high on Nike is 86.49, so maybe over that 86.50 area for this name, Nike. Keep an eye on it. Probably going to gap up on Monday, so that one looks good on the chart. PCG had some news that came out last week and also on Friday. So this one was popping up. We'll see if there's any kind of intraday setup on this name, PCG. Want to see a little bit of maybe a pullback and consolidation, and then maybe a move back up. PE, an oil name, also getting some expanding volume here on the daily chart on Friday. Oil names were getting some buying because of the Chevron Anadarko buyout or offer, I should say. 2065 was the high here on this name, so keep this one on watch. See, Pixie has earnings before the bell Monday, so this one was starting to turn back up, so keep that one on watch. We'll see how the earnings are. RENN was perking up. This is a stock that's under $2, but as you can see, some expanding volume here. Got a nice move up, popped over $1.80, has that 195 spot it's been trying to get through. It's also getting above the 200 SMA, so we'll see on this RENN on Monday and the rest of the week. RIOT, RIOT. Needs to get above that $5 area. It's coiling here, and it's been pulling back from $5, but holding this 5 EMA on RIOT. VNOM, another oil name, has been basing under this 35.50 area. VNOM. So we'll see if this one wants to do anything. Viper Energy Partners. Keep an eye on it. YRIV has been making some fits and starts, but still, flagging here, holding up okay. Has to get back above, I think, that $2 area, and then maybe you make a run on the break of 225. So keep YRIV on watch. It's been, a stock that's been hit from $12, trying to turn the corner on it. So let's see, 5 million shares came into that one. Lastly, YY, internet content and information, has that $90 area up ahead. Maybe if it can get back above the highs from Friday, 86.86, so we'll call it $87. Maybe it starts to make a push up through 88 and change, and then maybe you get that $90 break. Possible swing trade in this name if it's to your liking. All right, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. That's your stock watch list. Don't forget, I'm going to attach the video. Let's get ready for the week ahead to the end of this video, so you'll get all your economic information. I talk about the markets. Please give a thumbs up to this video. I greatly appreciate it. Let's grow this channel. Hit the thumbs up, share the video on social media, and have a great day trading Monday. We'll be back with another video Monday for Tuesday, and have a good day trading tomorrow.